Hello everyone and welcome to my first YouTube video. So today I will be showing you how to make a rocket launcher out of Lego. So you're going to need 4 pieces. The first piece you're going to need is this black cylinder piece. The next piece you're going to need is this black droid arm. The third piece is this black loudspeaker piece. And the last piece is this black sort of Technic piece. So once you get all your pieces, the first thing you're going to do is take your black Technic piece and your cylinder piece and put it right onto the long bit there. Then you're going to take your loudspeaker and put it into the socket at the back. Then the last thing you're going to do is put your droid arm on. And there you have it, your first Lego rocket launcher. And as you can see, it works very well on a minifigure. So remember to like, subscribe, and thanks.